Hello, my name is Louis Anthony, the creator of Genuine FX Profits. And you know, not a day goes by that I'm not amazed at how many people think they can succeed at something without doing any work at all. They think they can buy some automated software program and that it will just magically do everything for them and make them rich overnight. Well, here's a little wake-up call. Life doesn't work that way. And frankly, people like us are lucky that it doesn't. Because people like us, people who are willing to do just a little bit of work, can make a fortune. Now, with that said, let me introduce you to Genuine FX Profits. Genuine FX Profits is a manual trading strategy that puts you in control, but that doesn't require hours of work or extensive charting and research, and that doesn't require you to take big risks that could cause you to lose everything in a matter of seconds. With this system, I make $4,500 a day, $22,500 a week, $90,000 a month, and over $1 million a year. Genuine FX Profits is incredibly easy to use, and it starts producing results right away. But don't just take my word for it. Have a look for yourself. Let's take a quick look at a few recent trades this system has produced. Okay, let's open the USD CHF time frame 4H. As you can quickly see on the screen, Genuine FX Profits clearly displays proprietary indicators for you to follow. And you don't have to worry, these indicators do not repaint. You'll be able to easily see on your screen where to enter, where to exit, and stop loss and take profit, so you never have any hard decisions to make. Just follow the indicators and make money. On the chart on your screen now, there are 3 winning trades identified, and that's just over a market period of 3 days. Think of all the winning trades you'll see over the course of a few weeks or a few months. Maybe now you can get an idea of how fast Genuine FX Profits can make your account balance grow. Plus, this system works with all currency pairs, with all time frames, and with all types of markets. Now, let's look at how many pips you would have earned had you had Genuine FX Profits and made the 3 trades on your screen. The long first trade produced 84 pips. The second short trade made 167 pips. Trade 3 made 202 pips. That's a total of 453 pips over the course of 3 days using just a single currency pair. Now, let's look at another pair just to show you this is standard operating procedure with Genuine FX Profits, and not some fluke situation. Let's go to the pair Euro-USD time frame 1H. Here we see 3 winning trades. The first short trade made 133 pips. Trade 2 yielded 98 pips. Trade 3 made 61 pips. That's a total of 292 pips made over just 3 days. So now that you've seen Genuine FX Profits in action, you know just how powerful it really is. With this system, you could quickly turn a small investment like $100 into $2,500 or more in just a week. It's true, and you won't need any trading experience or have to work long hours to do it. To get your copy of Genuine FX Profits, click on the Order Now button on this page. I offer a full 60-day money-back guarantee, so you'll have plenty of time to see the system in action and decide for yourself if it is right for you. Plus, this system is currently available at a special low price of just $37. But you must hurry, this special price won't last long. So don't wait another second. Put yourself on the fast track to major Forex profits today. Just click on the Order Now button below to get started.